Welcome students. Today we will study one of the lesson from Marathi textbook, that is Urja Shakticha Jagar. This lesson is written by one of the famous scientists of India whose name is Raghunath Mashelkar. Who is Mashelkar? He is well famous scientist at international level. He is senior most scientist. He is a president of Global Research Alliance Center. He has fellowship of Royal Society and also he has a great contribution in CSIR as a president. He has got second rank award, India's second rank award, that is Padma Vibhushan. He has written number of textbooks. The name of the textbooks are शोध नव्या भारताचा, पंचशील नव्या युगाचे, टाइमलेस इन्स्पिरेटर, तिलक in our times, reinventing India. These are the books written by him, became very famous. He is one of the leading scientists to solve the intellectual with the help of intellectual. He has a ability, he has the best ability to solve the problems, financial problems before India. He has best habit to work. He is a hard worker, positive minded, well disciplined, and as well as he is a great patriotic person of India. Besides that, he has a nature to invent always new things. In this lesson, in this Urja Shakticha Jagar lesson, he want to explain some of his memories from his school life. When he had lost his father when he was going to school. From the very worst situation, her mother has shaped him from difficult position, and how he became scientist. He has given here information from his childhood. So this lesson is also important to me, to you, to get the inspiration and to give the shape to our own life. So let me read. Please you also attend on every line. Wherever you will get difficulty, I will explain it. Even after completing this video, if you have got any problem, please you may write, I will explain it. So I am going to start it. Before starting the lesson, I am going to remind you that you should subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, and as well as you should share your likes and write comments. Shala and Shikshak. These two things are inseparable things from the life of every student. शाळा आणि शिक्षक असा विषय निघाला की मला माझी मुंबईतील शाळा आणि शालेय जीवनातील शिक्षकांची आठवण येते. Means whenever someone discuss with Mashelkar about school and teachers, then just he remember his life, he remembers his school from Mumbai, and also he remembers his all teachers who had helped him to become scientist. गिरगावातील युनियन हायस्कूल आणि माझ्या शाळकरी वयात आपुलकीने संस्कार करणारे भावे सर, जोशी सर, शिर्के सर या साऱ्यांचे माझ्यावर मोठे ऋण आहे. माशेलकर सांगतात, Mashelkar tells that whenever someone discuss about the school or school life and teachers, then just I remember when I was studying, the name of my school was Union School from Girgaon, Mumbai. Girgaon is one of the part of Mumbai, one of the suburban area of the Mumbai. there is one school named Union High School, and in that Union High School, Dr. Raghunath Mashelkar was studying. So he remembers to that teachers who helped him to become best student, who helped him to become best scientist, who had shaped him, among them respected Bhave sir, Joshi sir and Shirke sir. He is grateful. Dr. Mashelkar is grateful of the teachers named Bhave sir, Joshi and Shirke sir. पण त्याच वेळी हेही सांगितलं पाहिजे की या शाळेशी आणि संस्कार देणाऱ्या शिक्षकांशी माझा जो संपर्क आला तो जिच्यामुळे आला ती माझी परमप्रिय आहे. All these things are important in his life, but besides that, most important thing is there that the school and school teachers came in the contact of Mr. Raghunath because of one of the person, and that most important person is his mother. आणि माझे मामा यांचे विरुद्ध कसे व्यक्त करणार? It's a great problem before him. That even though he worked, even though he did so many things for his mother and uncle, then also that things are insufficient. They have made lot of grateful things. They had done so many things with this boy. आई हीच प्रत्येक मुलाची पहिली शिक्षक असते. रघुनाथराव is telling that mother is the first teacher. माझ्या बाबतीत तर माझी आई ही केवळ शिक्षिका नव्हती तर सर्वस्वी होती. Raghunathji is telling that first teacher in the life of any person is her mother. And if you ask about Raghunathji Mashelkar, then he is telling that she is not only the first teacher but she is each and everything of his life. So let me ask questions. लेखकाला आपल्या शाळेची आणि शिक्षकांची आठवण कधी येते? लेखकाला आपल्या शाळेची आणि शिक्षकांची आठवण कधी येते? ज्या वेळेला चार चौघात लेखक बसतो गप्पा मारायला आणि त्यावेळी शाळेचा आणि शिक्षकांचा विषय निघाला की लेखकाला शाळेची आठवण येते. लेखक कुठे शिकला होता? युनियन हायस्कूल गिरगाव. लेखकावरती संस्कार घडवणाऱ्या 3 शिक्षकांची नावे सांगा. येस, भावे सर, शिर्के सर आणि जोशी सर. लेखक माझ्या आयुष्यावरती कोणाचे उपकार जास्त आहेत असं म्हणतो? भावे सर, शिर्के सर, जोशी सर यांचे खूप उपकार आहेत असं तो म्हणतो. शाळेचा आणि लेखकाचा संबंध कोणामुळे आला? लेखकाची आई आणि त्याचे मामा. प्रत्येकाच्या आयुष्यामध्ये प्रथम शिक्षक कोण असतं? पहिली शिक्षिका कोण असते? त्या मुलाची आई असते. आईबद्दलच्या भावना लेखकाने एकाच शब्दामध्ये कशा प्रकारे वर्णन केलेले? आई म्हणजे आई हीच माझं सर्वस्व आहे. या एका शब्दामध्ये सर्वस्व, त्या एका शब्दामध्ये आईचं वर्णन केलेलं आहे. आमचे मूळ गाव दक्षिण गोव्यातील माशे. लोक Mashelkar. So he is from one of the small village from the smallest state of India, that is Mashel. So he came from southern Goa. There is one small village called Mashel. माझे बालपण means this writer has enjoyed his whole childhood in Mashel in South Goa. माझे मामाही याच गावातले. What a good luck that both are from same. Otherwise, mostly it is very rare time it is happening that mama's house means uncle's house and mother's house is also in the same city. This is becoming rare time. तिथल्या एका मैदानावर खेळल्याचा आणि पिंपळ कट्ट्यावर बसून निवांतपणा अनुभवल्याच्या उसळशा आठवणी माझ्या मनात अधूनमधून वाऱ्याच्या लहरीसारख्या येतात. Means sometimes only we feel that wind is blowing. So like a wind, sometimes he remembers that he was sitting on Pimpalkatta. Pimpalkatta means there is a big banyan tree, and around the stem of the banyan tree a small place is made to sit. That is called a Pimpalkatta. It is a sitting place where the writer was sitting in his childhood condition. And besides that, he is remembering that he has played on the ground in village Mashela. माझ्या वयाच्या 6व्या वर्षी माझे वडील वारले. इट्स अ बॅड लक. इट इज अ बॅड लक ऑफ रघुनाथजी that when he was of 6 years old, then he had lost his father. आणि आम्हाला उदरनिर्वाहासाठी आमच्या माशेल हे गाव सोडावे लागले. Why did he leave his village? Because he had lost his father at his age of 6, and to get the livelihood, to meet the problem of livelihood, his mother took decision to give up the village. मी आणि माझी आई मुंबईत येऊन पोहोचलो. Means both mother took to his child and both came in Mumbai. गिरगावातल्या खेतवाडीतील देशमुख गल्लीमध्ये गिरगाव इट इज वन ऑफ द suburban area of Bombay. खेतवाडीतील देशमुख गल्लीमध्ये means there is one lane. Okay, in Girgaon again there is one small area that is called a Khetwadi, and inside that Khetwadi there is one small lane. In that small lane there was one house named Malti Niwas, and Malti Niwasatil पहिल्या मायावर means on the first floor in a small room खोल्यामध्ये आम्ही मायलेक राहत होतो. Writer and his mother both were living in one of the small room of the first floor of Khetwadi in the lane of Deshmukh. Name of the lane is Deshmukh Gully. Where is Deshmukh Gully? Deshmukh Gully comes in Khetwadi. And where is Khetwadi? Khetwadi comes in Girgawa. Okay, do you understand? आर्थिक परिस्थिती पूर्णपणे खालावलेली. Means there was no economical condition good at all. There was difficulty in financial matter to this family. दारिद्र्याशी संघर्ष करणारी माझी अल्पशिक्षित आई आणि शिक्षणासाठी असुसलेला पण कोणतीच फी भरणं शक्य नसल्याने शाळेत कसा जाऊ. There was a great question before the Raghunath. He is eager to take the education, and there was a problem to take the education because how to pay the fee as there is no money with them. And mother was illiterate, but she is hard worker. She was ready to fight against the poverty. But the greatest question was there that go to school or help to mother to get the food. That was the question before him. त्यावेळेचं हे वातावरण means this was in this surrounding. This Raghunathji was growing in such a surrounding. There was one question that how to help to mother to get the food, and there was another question that how to get the education. And this question was not only to the Raghunathji, but it was given this question to her mother, to his mother also. So let me ask questions. रघुनाथरावांचे मूळचे गाव कोणते? गोव्यातील, दक्षिण गोव्यातील माशेल. मामाचे गाव कोणते? माशेल. रघुनाथरावांना लेखकाला आपल्या जन्मगावातील कोणत्या गोष्टीशी पुसटशी आठवण येते? मैदानावर खेळल्याची आणि पिंपळ कट्ट्यावरती निवांत बसून राहिल्याच्या अनुभवाच्या काही आठवणी त्याला आठवतात. लेखकाचे वडील कधी वारले? 6व्या वर्षी वारले. गिरगावातल्या खेतवाडीमधील म्हणजे लेखक कुठे मुंबईत आल्यानंतर लेखक कुठे राहत होता? गिरगाव, खेतवाडी, देशमुख गल्ली, मजला नंबर 1. ज्या वेळेला लेखक शाळेला का जाऊ शकत नव्हता? शाळेची फी भरण्या इतपत त्यांची परिस्थिती नसल्याने, शाळेची फी भरणं शक्य नसल्याने लेखक कुठे जात नव्हता? शाळेला जात नव्हता. लेखकाच्या आईचा स्वभाव कसा आहे? दारिद्र्याशी संघर्ष करण्याचा. लेखकाची आई किती शिकलेली आहे? खूप कमी शिकलेली आहे किंवा अल्पशिक्षित आहे. पण माझ्या आईनं धीर सोडलं नाही. शी नॉट अफ्रेडेड. ती खचली नाही. शी वॉज नॉट डिप्रेस्ड बिकॉज ऑफ द वर्स्ट सिच्युएशन. शी वॉज नॉट डिसअपॉइंटेड. शी वॉज नॉट अनहॅपी. वेगवेगळ्या कष्टाची कामं ती करत होती. व्हॉट एव्हर वर्क कम्स शी वॉज डुईंग ईच अँड एव्हरीवेअर. त्यातच माशेरहून मुंबईत आलेले माझे मामाही मदतीला आले. फर्स्ट this family came, means Mashankar family came, and afterwards, after a few days, his uncle also came, and uncle when he came in the Bombay, then he also helped to this family. त्यांच्यामुळे मला खेतवाडीतील प्राथमिक शाळेत प्रवेश मिळू शकला. Means when uncle came in Mumbai to get the job, then uncle helped to Raghunath to get the admission in the primary school of the Khetwadi. ही शाळा महापालिकेची होती. दॅट इज म्युनिसिपालिटी स्कूल, नॉट लाईक अवर प्रायव्हेट इन्स्टिट्यूशन. माझ्याप्रमाणे शाळेची परिस्थिती बेताचीच होती. ही वॉज गोइंग इन द म्युनिसिपालिटी स्कूल अँड नाऊ ऑल्सो ॲट प्रेझेंट ऑल्सो इफ यू सी म्युनिसिपालिटी स्कूल्स आर नॉट इन बेटर कंडिशन. नो गुड बिल्डिंग, नो बेंचेस टू सीट, no cleanliness. So many things are there till as it is going on, and those students are very poor. That poor students are going in poor school. So he was also going in that poor school of the municipality. पण इथे शिक्षक मात्र मनानं खूप श्रीमंत होते. Building is not more important. Whether school has financial support or not, that is not more important. Which kind of students are coming, that is also not important. But teachers, good teachers are important. And here Mashalkar is telling that though my school was poor, though I was poor, but my teachers were very, very rich by mind. Their nature was very nice. They were very good to teach us. पण इथे शिक्षक मनाने खूप श्रीमंत होते. पायात घालायला चप्पल ही नव्हती. अशा परिस्थितीत माझी शाळा सुरू झाली. मीन्स व्हेन माशेलकर वॉज गोइंग दॅट टाइम ही हॅड नॉट गॉट शूज टू गो टू स्कूल. वयाच्या 12 वर्षापर्यंत मला अनवाणीच राहावं लागलं. टिल द एज ऑफ 12. मीन्स अकॉर्डिंग टू दॅट there was no shoes, no chappals to Mashelkar till his completion of 4th standard. शालेय शिक्षण पूर्ण केल्यानंतर जेव्हा हायस्कूलमध्ये प्रवेश घेण्याची वेळ आली त्यावेळी तर आणखी एक मोठं संकट समोर आलं. His primary education was completed in Khetwadi's municipality school, and then he has to take the admission into the high school section. But there was a biggest question arisen before him. Why? Because त्यावेळी हायस्कूल प्रवेशाची फी 21 रुपये होती. 21 रुपये. Today we can't get one shevpuri for the ₹21. Today we can't get one of the vada pav or misal in ₹20. And here there was no money with Mashelkar. 21 rupees. There was no 21 rupees with Mashelkar, and that's why he was unable to take the admission. पण आमच्याजवळ एवढे पैसे येणार कुठून? 21 रुपये शाळेची फी भरायची आहे. He has to pay 21 rupees fee of the high school. But how can he get? प्रवेश फी भरणं शक्य नसल्यामुळे आता माझे शिक्षण थांबणार असे वाटू लागले. He was feeling that it is not possible to mother, it is not possible to him, and even it is not possible to his uncle to pay the fee of the high school. And that's why he was feeling that I have to stop now education. But पण माझ्या आईने धीर सोडला नाही. My mother was very brave. She didn't think that her child should give up the education because of the lack of money. फी भरणं शक्य नसल्यामुळे आजूबाजूच्या बेराडातील काही कामे करून तिने पैसे जमवण्यास सुरुवात केली. She was trying. She went in number of places. She was doing the work in the neighborhood, and she trying to collect the money. त्याच वेळी तिच्या परिचयातील एक माऊली मदतीला धावली. She was knowing to all, and one of her friend came to help her. She made the arrangements of the fees. पण तोपर्यंत गिरगावातील त्यावेळेच्या नामांकित शाळेमध्ये प्रवेश बंद झाले होते. इट वॉज बिकेम टू लेट टिल गेटिंग द मनी टू दिस फॅमिली. When the money came, but admissions were get closed up. What was the bad luck with रघुनाथजी लोक? अखेर युनियन हायस्कूल मध्ये मला प्रवेश मिळाला आणि माध्यमिक शिक्षणाचा पुढील टप्पा सुरू झाला. Means he wanted to take admission in one of the good school, but as there was no fee, that's why he could not take it. And when money became available, that time admissions of all good schools were get closed up, and that's why he went into one of the high school, that is Union High School. And thus he stepped into the high school education. अनेक अडचणीमधून मी जमेल तेवढा अभ्यास करतच होतो. There were number of difficulties with him. There was number of difficulties with him. But from the difficulties also, after overcoming the difficulties, he was trying to study well. पण त्या छोट्याशा खोलीतील जागा कोणी पडायची, अभ्यासाला पूरक वातावरण नव्हते. Actually, there is good surrounding required for the study, but there was no good surrounding because the room was very, very small. मात्र त्याही वातावरणात मी जिद्दीने अभ्यास करत राहिलो. He is telling that even such a worst condition also, I continuously did study. I studied आणि परीक्षेत चांगलं यश मिळत गेलं. Every time I have tried to overcome the situations. I succeeded to overcome the situations and I did good marks. I succeeded to get the good percentage in every exam. या युनियन हायस्कूल मध्ये शिक्षक त्यांची सेवाभावी वृत्ती विद्यार्थ्यांना शिकवताना त्यांच्यामध्ये झोकून देणं आणि निरपेक्ष भावनेनं केलेलं मार्गदर्शन यामुळे माझ्या केवळ शालेय अभ्यासाचाच पाया पक्का झाला असं नाही, तर आयुष्याचा पाया सुद्धा पक्का झाला. These are the great honor things written here. Great honor words are written by Mashalkar about his teachers. He is telling that though I was poor, my situation was poor, my school was poor, but teachers were very great. They were very rich by mind. They have nature to offer the best service because of their nature of offering good service. विद्यार्थ्यांना शिकवताना means they were devoting while teaching to the students, and without expecting anything from any student, they were guiding to every student. That's why my school foundation of my study became perfect. Not only the foundation of study became perfect, not only the education became perfect, but even the base of my life also became perfect because of devoted teachers, because of the nature of the teachers offering the best services to the students. These are the two things helped me to attract towards the education, and so Raghunathji failed to take the education. आमच्या हायस्कूल मधील दर शनिवारी चाचणी परीक्षा घेण्यात येत असे. However, now also you are giving weekly test is taken. So like that in those days also weekly test was taken, and weekly test was always taken on the Saturday. आमचं हायस्कूल ही गरीब होतं. School was also poor. त्यामुळे उत्तर पत्रिका घरून न्यावी लागायची. Now you are getting from school only, but in those days, even when I was taking education, we were also taking our own paper to write the test. So like that, he was also taking. What was the cost of one full paper? Do you know? Only 3 paisa. Only 3 paisa. You have not seen 3 paisa. आपल्याला कदाचित पटणार नाही, पण दर आठवड्याला हे 3 पैसे उभे करताना देखील माझ्या आईच्या डोळ्यात पाणी उभं राहायचं. It was, though cost of paper was 3 paisa, but it was difficult. It was very difficult to my mother to collect the 3 paisa because she has to work hard, tirelessly she has to work. Then hardly she was getting 3 paisa. आजही आठवलं की माझ्या अंगावर काटा उभा राहतो. My hair are raising. Why? Because it was, even to get 3 paisa, my mother had to work so many hours. तिने माझ्यासाठी प्रचंड कष्ट केले, पडेल ते काम केले. She did lot of work for me. Whatever work, she did each and every work for my education. काँग्रेस हाऊस जवळ काही काम मिळणार नाही असं समजल्याने एकदा ती तिकडे गेली. काँग्रेस हाऊस जवळ काही काम मिळणार आहे. She will get something work from the Congress house. near from the area near the Congress House. So she went there. What happened? असं समजलं एकदा ती तिकडे गेली, रांगेत उभे राहिले, तशी ताकद, पण तिला सांगण्यात आलं की फक्त तिसरी किंवा त्यापेक्षा अधिक शिकलेल्यांनाच काम दिलं जाईल. She stood in lane. She stood in queue. When her number came, then that time it was told to her that those have third standard completed, whose qualification is minimum third standard, that woman or man will get the work, rest other will not get. अर्थातच ती नाराज झाली. She was disappointed as she has lost the job. Even she felt very sad that she was unable to take the education up till standard third in her childhood. घराकडे मागं फिरले, त्याच वेळी तिनं ठरवलं. When she went back, when she was coming back, she decided that मी माझ्या मुलाला खूप खूप शिकवेन. I will teach. I will help to my child to get the education. कारण शिक्षणाशिवाय या जगात मान नाही. There is no respect at all without education. So that's why Raghunath is telling you and I am telling to you every year, every time from number of years. However, I came in your contact, I am telling to you that you should also learn. Attain, concentrate more and more. Go away from mobile, go away from internet, go away from computer, go away from bad thing, go away from bad company and concentrate on study, because if you have an education, you have a respect. Otherwise, in future, you will not get job like Mashekars. From here, we have to go back little. I am asking question to you that लेखकाची प्राथमिक शाळेचं शिक्षण पूर्ण झाल्यानंतर कोणतं संकट ओढवलं? हायस्कूलला ऍडमिशन कसं घ्यायचं हे संकट ओढवलं. हे उत्तर बरोबर आहे का? हायस्कूलची फी भरण्या इतपत लेखकाकडे पैसे नव्हते आणि ते पैसे कसे भागवायचे हे मोठे संकट पडले. हायस्कूल प्रवेशाची फी किती रुपये होती? 21 रुपये होती. लेखकाला आपलं शिक्षण थांबणार असं का वाटत होतं? हायस्कूलची फी भरणं शक्य नाही असं वाटल्यामुळं आपलं शिक्षण थांबेल असं लेखकाला वाटत होतं. लेखकाच्या आईनं हायस्कूलची फी भरण्यासाठी कोणकोणत्या प्रकारची कामं केली? शेजाऱ्या बाजारांच्या घरामध्ये जाऊन मिळेल ते काम त्या लेखकाच्या आईनं केलं. ज्या वेळेला पैशाची व्यवस्था झाली, दुसरा प्रश्न वेगळ्या अर्थाने विचारतोय, लेखकाला गिरगावामधील नामांकित शाळेत प्रवेश का घेता आला नाही? वेळेत पैसे जमा न झाल्यामुळे, वेळेत पैशाची व्यवस्था न करता आल्यामुळे लेखकाला गिरगावातल्या नामांकित शाळेत प्रवेश घेता आला नाही. लेखकाच्या आयुष्याचा माध्यमिक शिक्षणाचा टप्पा कोणत्या शाळेमध्ये चालू झाला? गिरगाव मधील युनियन हायस्कूल. लेखक घरामध्ये चांगल्या प्रकारे अभ्यास का करू शकत नव्हता, किंवा हायस्कूलचं शिक्षण घेत असताना लेखकाला अभ्यासाविषयी कोणत्या अडचणी निर्माण होत होत्या? घरामध्ये शैक्षणिक वातावरण नव्हतं, खोली अतिशय लहान होती, अनेक अडचणींचा सामना करत शैक्षणिक वातावरण नसल्यामुळं, अभ्यासाला पूरक वातावरण नसल्यामुळं लेखकाला योग्य प्रकारे अभ्यास करता येत नव्हता. लेखकाने कसा अभ्यास केला? जिद्दीने अभ्यास केला. लेखकाला शिक्षणाबद्दल आंतरिक ओढ का वाटू लागली? लेखकाला शिक्षणाबद्दल आंतरिक ओढ का वाटू लागली? शिक्षकांची सेवाभावी वृत्ती, विद्यार्थ्यांना शिकवताना त्यांच्यामध्ये स्वतःला झोकून देणं, निरपेक्ष भावनेनं केलेलं मार्गदर्शन, याच्यामुळं म्हणजे निरपेक्ष भावनेनं मार्गदर्शन करणारे शिक्षक, शिक्षकांची सेवाभावी वृत्ती, या दोन गोष्टीमुळं लेखकाला शिक्षण घेण्याची ओढ वाटू लागली. कोणत्या दिवशी चाचणी परीक्षा घेतली जात होती? हायस्कूलमध्ये कोणत्या दिवशी चाचणी परीक्षा घेतली जात होती? दर शनिवारी. लेखकाचं हायस्कूल कसं होतं? गरीब होतं. उत्तरपत्रिकेची किंमत किती होती? 3 पैसे. लेखकाच्या आईच्या डोळ्यात पाणी कशामुळे उभं राहायचं? लेखकाला उत्तरपत्रिका देण्यासाठी लागणारे 3 पैसे गोळा करत असताना कसे गोळा करायचे याच्यासाठी ते पैसे गोळा करताना देखील लेखकाच्या आईच्या डोळ्यात पाणी उभं राहत होतं. लेखकाच्या आईने माझ्या मुलाला खूप शिकवीन असा निर्धार का केला? कारण ती ज्या वेळेला काँग्रेस कमिटी काँग्रेस हाऊस जवळच्या एका ठिकाणी काम मिळणार आहे म्हणून गेली आणि ज्यावेळी तिला तिथं सांगितलं गेलं की 3री शाळा कमीत कमी शिकलेल्या माणसांनाच काम दिलं जाईल, अन्यथा काम दिलं जाणार नाही, त्याच वेळेला लेखकाच्या आईला खूप वाईट वाटलं. आपण शिकू शकलो नाही पण आपल्या मुलाला आपण शिकवायचं असा निर्धार तिनं केला आणि म्हणून तिला वाटत होतं की माझ्या मुलाला खूप शिकवायला पाहिजे, कारण शिक्षणाशिवाय जगामध्ये माणसाला मान सन्मान किंवा किंमत मिळत नाही हे तिला जाणवलं होतं. ओके, लेट मी स्टार्ट अगेन. तिनं प्रत्यक्षात केलंही तसंच. शी डिड लाईक दॅट ओनली. माझ्यासाठी तिनं घेतलेलं कष्ट मी कोणत्या शब्दात सांगू? आय डोंट हॅव मोर वर्ड्स टू एक्सप्लेन हर हार्ड वर्क. मी कोणत्या शब्दात सांगू? कोरे पाठकोरे लिहून उरलेले कागद ती एकत्र जमवायची. She was helping by different way to the writer. To one side written paper, she was collecting totally blank papers and she was collecting even from other places. If she gets the blank paper which is written to one side and backside paper is written, if not written blank paper, then she was collecting it from anywhere and she was giving to her child. वह्या करून द्यायची. She was collecting it and teaching it and making notebook and giving to the Raghunath. अखंड पेन्सिल मला मिळणं अवघड होतं, त्यामुळे जेम हातात धरता येईल अशा पेन्सिलनच लिहावी लागेल. पेन्सिल that time she's pencil and up till 4th standard we were also writing with slate pencil. So here this writer is telling that it was totally difficult to his life, even no moment came in his life to get the full pencil. He was getting such a pencil which was thrown by the others, his friends or rich students. He was getting only a small pencil. It was difficult to catch and to write. He studied with such a pencil. याच हायस्कूल मध्ये मला भावे सर भेटले. याच हायस्कूल मध्ये म्हणजे जे हायस्कूल गरीब होतं, जिथं लेखकाला हातामध्ये धरून लिहायला पेन्सिल सुद्धा मिळत नव्हती, अशा शाळेमध्ये भावे सर भेटले. ही वॉज टीचिंग फिजिक्स. ते फिजिक्स शिकवत होते. विज्ञानातील विषय शिकवताना मीन्स ही नेव्हर टॉट ओनली द सायन्स, ही टॉट द सायन्स ऑफ लाईफ. विज्ञान विषयाची गोडी लावली आणि त्याचबरोबर जीवनाचं फार मोठं तत्वज्ञान शिकवलं. ऍक्च्युअली सायन्स टीचर अँड लाईफ एज्युकेशन, मोरल एज्युकेशन, दीज आर द 2 different parts. We cannot, it is difficult to intermingle it and explain it. But the Bhave sir he was a really great teacher. Because of his teaching skill, writer Mr. Raghunath took interest in the science. So he is telling that एके दिवशी शाळेत त्याने एक प्रयोग करून दाखवला. Every time while teaching science teacher must teach with experiments. We language teacher should explain only with the help of book, but science teacher should give experience. And so to give the experience, here this Bhave sir was giving lot of experiences. He was taking lot of practicals and through practical he was teaching science. So one day what happened, a very interesting thing is here mentioned by the Raghunath. एके दिवशी शाळेत त्याने एक प्रयोग करून दाखवला. एके दिवशी means he did. Who did one experiment? Bhave sir did one experiment. भिंगाच्या साह्याने, भिंग means what? There is it is called a lens. ओके, भिंगाच्या साह्याने सूर्यकिरणांची शक्ती कागदावर एकत्र केल्यास कागद येतो हे त्यांनी दाखवलं. Means he has taken here, you know that this is a lens. This is called a simple microscope. So this simple microscope means focusing lens. He took the lens in his hand and he concentrated the rays of light passing through this lens. And when we hold the lens of the paper and when there is a small spot appears on the paper, means what happens that heat is concentrated on a smaller area, and when that paper is heated up, it burns up. So from it he has told that Professor भावे सर told that माशेलकर तुमची ऊर्जा शक्ती एकत्र करा, काहीही चालता येईल. You should collect your all power, you should collect your energy, you can burn each and everything. However, I have collected the solar energy, I have focused on the solar energy, rays of light on the paper, and I have shown you that how we can burn this paper. So if you collect your energy, if you collect your whole power, if you decided to use your full power, and if you start to work with devotion, you can burn each and everything. This even you can get success over all difficulties in your life. आयुष्याचं एकीकडे मला एकाग्रतेचा मंत्र मिळाला. Means from this experiment, Bhave sir was telling that rays of light we are collecting, means there is need that we should collect our concentration, we should concentrate on the subject. And दुसरीकडे विज्ञान समजला. Means to one side I got the education of how to concentrate on the study, and other side I got the education. I learned that if we concentrated on every problem, then we can easily solve all difficulties. We can overcome from the difficulties. That was the good knowledge given by the Professor Bhave sir. आयुष्याचं फार मोठं तत्वज्ञान मला भावे सरांच्या या शिकवणुकीतूनच समजलं. He learned, Raghunath learned greatest knowledge of the life from his principal. त्यांना मी कसा विचारू शकेन? How can I forget to such a sir who has told me through the experiment, who had made me perfect through experiment, and who had given me principle of life to enjoy the life. भावे सरांप्रमाणे माझ्या शालेय आणि पुढील शैक्षणिक जीवनात it's like Bhave sir, Raghunathji got number of good teachers. The name of the teachers are Joshi sir, Shirke sir, and when Sri मालेगाववाला या मार्गदर्शन केलं. There were 4 teachers. One is Bhave sir, second one is Joshi sir, Shirke sir, Sri Malegawala sir. All these teachers shaped to माशेलकर, संस्कार केले आयुष्याच्या उभारण्यासाठी. मला याच शाळेने आणि याच शिक्षकाने भरपूर शिदोरी दिली. I got good food, I got lot of things, I learned so many good things from this my union school from खेतवाडी गिरगाव. संघर्षासाठी आत्मविश्वास मिळवून दिला. What did he learn? He got the confidence to fight against the difficulties. जगण्याचे फान दिले. He became alert through this education. He became alert about the difficulties of the life. आजही फिरून ते शाळेचे दिवस आठवताना एकीकडे दारिद्र्याचा सामना करताना ते क्षण आठवतात. Whenever he remembers his school life, all that things comes before his eyes, just his eyes. Just he remembers all that, and tears are coming out automatically. त्याच वेळी माझी आई, माझे शिक्षक, माझी शाळा, हे माझे संस्कार केंद्र डोळ्यासमोर उभे राहते. मी पुन्हा म्हणून शाळेत जाऊ लागतो. Means whenever such things are coming to discuss before him, just he remembers his teachers, just he remembers the situation of those days. He remembers to his uncle, he remembers his full life, each and everything who was his life, her mother. He remembers to his mother, Bhave sir, Shirke sir, Sri Malegawala sir, and Bhave sir, and again he is getting interest to talk, to share his experience with you. So he has shared his life, how he tackled the difficulties. What was his situation in his life? Dear students, such a worst condition is not with you. You have good surrounding, you have good school, you have some good teachers like a Bhave. So I appeal you that just you should read it carefully, go through this every line, feel, get knowledge from every line. try to behave like a Marshall Carr. How he has got, you should remember that how Marshall Carr has got experience, how he has got confidence, how he is respectful with his mother and teachers. This lesson is very, very interesting. This lesson is giving energy to me. I hope that this lesson will give you such an energy. Thanks for watching our video. Once again, I am reminding you that don't forget to subscribe the channel. Tell to your all friends to subscribe the channel. Write your comments. And if you do not understand, you may send me a message or you may call me. Once again, thanks.